Hello, everyone. Well, it's looking dry during the day today in Wisconsin, but already tonight, the rain is coming back as our active weather pattern continues. Let's start with the good first, and that is a dry morning commute this morning. Still some lingering cloud cover, but all the snow showers and rain showers are out of here. And the good news is the cloud cover is going to be breaking up as we go through the day. I do think we're going to be seeing some pretty good sunshine now. It's going to take a little bit longer for the cloud cover to break up in the eastern part of the state. It'll break up first in the western part of the state, but it's also going to return in the western part of the state as well. So there's going to be this period of sunshine before the clouds build back in. Notice lunchtime, our temperatures getting into the low 40s across Wisconsin. And where will we top out this afternoon? Better than yesterday. Yesterday we were topping out mainly in the upper 30s. Today it looks like most will reach the upper 40s. Some might get into the low 50s. Others might get stuck into the mid 40s. But I think upper 40s is going to be most common. And it's really going to feel like these temperatures today because there is not going to be much wind. Not a breezy day even. Maybe gusts at most 15 miles per hour. That's probably going to be it. And notice for the homebound commute, 5 o'clock, notice how the cloud cover building back into the west. But the showers over in Minnesota, so we are still dry across the state. So when does our rain chance begin? Well, I think it'll be pushing in along the Wisconsin-Minnesota border about 11 o'clock this evening. So places like Winona, la-crosse, Chippewa-falls, this is when your rain chance begins. But if you're in Madison, Portage, Baraboo, Beaver-Dam, Kenosha, you're still dry. And actually, this initial round of rain that's going to start working in around 11 o'clock and push to the east doesn't look very impressive. It really looks like isolated activity, not much going on. So it's mostly going to be dry, it looks like, tonight. Because, look, we jump ahead now to tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., and there's not going to be much going on. I think most are going to have a dry morning commute. I'll mention the chance for a few rain, maybe some snow showers if you're far enough north, but most are going to be dry. I think things start to deteriorate as we get into the afternoon tomorrow. Look how the rain starts to pick up. Again, first to the west, it's going to take longer for the rain to spread to the east. Temperatures are going to be about the same tomorrow. We might be a degree or two cooler, but the wind's going right back up. And unlike today, where there's not going to be much wind, tomorrow afternoon we're looking at those gusts, no matter where you are in the state, reaching 35, 40 miles per hour. And a heads up for the homebound commute tomorrow. Look how wet it's looking. Now, it's mostly going to be showers, but I will not be surprised if we get a few thunderstorms to pop up as well. That's what's indicated by those little dots of orange. So one of the places that's looking more likely for a thunderstorm at 5 o'clock, la-crosse, Winona, Chippewa-falls, but everybody technically has that chance for seeing a storm, though it will mostly be shower activity. But regardless of all this rain around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, probably going to be a slower than usual homebound commute. Of course, if the timing changes, I'll be sure to let you know.